We got to thank our lucky stars here for voting day. It's beautiful.
It is beautiful outside, so no excuses here locally. But you can see that line of storms basically stretching from the Gulf Coast to the Canadian border. So from Houston all the way up through St. Louis and Chicago, that is where we have some stormy weather. And this line is basically the dividing line between colder weather in the western half of the country and much warmer weather here. In fact, unseasonable warmth is what we are in right now, and we are going to be in tomorrow. Look at this tomorrow. We're going to be in the mid 70s, challenging record highs for the day. That is a good 20 degrees above our average high, which is only in the mid 50s this time of year. And as we cool down late week into the weekend, it takes us till Saturday to get a temperature that will be considered average for this time of year. So really warm out there once again. 70 in Boston right now, Marshfield as well. We've jumped up to 72 in Norwood. We had some clouds early this morning. There were even a couple of sprinkles in southern New Hampshire, but those are long gone now. So we have the sunshine, a lot of blue sky over Boston right now. We're going to hang on to that the rest of the afternoon. The wind a little bit busy. Air quality is good, despite the fact that we still have some of those fires burning north of Boston right now. We have more of a southwesterly wind. It's really kicking up down toward the Cape, where it's gusting over 30 miles per hour. Falmouth gusting to around 30 on the Vineyard. And that wind is what has brought in all of that warmth from our south and west. Unfortunately, this cold front off to the west going to be really slow in approaching. It'll come through tomorrow evening, and when it does so, a lot of the moisture is going to dry up. So we will have the windy, warm conditions today. You can see those stronger gusts. The winds don't come down a whole lot overnight, and they ramp up even more during the day tomorrow. So tomorrow, the wind gusts from the southwest will be near and over 30 miles per hour. And so with that wind today, tomorrow, and the extremely dry conditions from the lack of rain, elevated fire danger certainly exists with us the next couple of days. So please keep that in mind. It's going to be breezy tonight. It'll be mild, partly cloudy skies. We only drop between about 55 and 60 tonight. That is warmer than our average high temperature this time of year. And that will be the starting point for what looks to be another one of these days where we challenge the record high temperatures. We are going higher tomorrow in the mid upper 70s, could get close to 80 in a few spots away from the Cape. And the record highs for the day tomorrow are in the low 70s. Worcester, I think we break that, and about 76 in Boston. That was set in 2022, so just a couple of years ago. So we will challenge that record high temperature once again. Here comes that cold front as we go through Wednesday evening, and notice a lot of the moisture is drying up, but a wind shift to the northwest on Thursday will start to usher in that cooler air. So tomorrow is a day with partly sunny skies. Toward evening, maybe we bring out an isolated sprinkle as that front comes through. And that's about it in terms of any rain potential. Down in the tropics, want to let you know we are monitoring Tropical Storm Raphael. This is down toward Jamaica right now, where the water temperatures down this way are incredibly warm for this time of year. They are still up around 90 degrees. So this is forecast to strengthen. It's going to become a hurricane, but then move over Cuba. So there are hurricane warnings up for the Cayman Islands, western Cuba. And then as this moves into the Gulf of Mexico by the end of the week and the weekend, it looks like it's going to take a more so on Louisiana and Texas than over Florida this go around, but yet another potential hurricane that we are monitoring in the Gulf of Mexico this year. For us, we have that cool down coming Friday into Saturday, and then on Sunday, that'll be our next chance of getting some rain around here. Boy, do we need it. It looks like the latter part of the day Sunday into Veterans Day on Monday, we may finally catch some showers, so hoping for at least some rain. As you know, we will take anything we can get around here. It has been so dry.